Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically sync audio with videos. So I'm just going to add this one first, and I'm going to go back to media, and I'm just going to try to find some videos to place or some pictures. Basically select the audio, then you're going to select mark beats, and then select either beats 1 or beats 2. Beats 2 has more beats, as you can see if you just press on it. You kind of have to zoom in for this one, and here you can delete it, you can clear it, here delete all markers, and then you are going to then add your video or photo. So I'm just going to do that. And just basically add it, and then in the marker, you're on the marker, you're going to delete it, and you're just going to keep doing that until you don't have any videos or photos left. And it's going to just basically sync with the beats of the song. And yeah, that is pretty much it. It is super simple to do. It is time consuming though, I would say that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.